Ever wonder how to make someone miss you in a way they can't shake? It's all about applying timeless Stoic principles. First, be self-sufficient. Show that you're complete on your own, and your absence will spark curiosity and admiration. Next, control your emotions. Stay composed, even in challenging moments. Your calmness creates an air of mystery and depth. Communicate with intention. Make every conversation meaningful and leave them wanting more. Don't just talk to fill silence. Let your words resonate. Accept absence. Embrace time apart to build anticipation and longing. Finally, live with purpose. Pursue your passions and goals with energy. When you're driven and focused, you become magnetic. Master these Stoic principles, and you'll be unforgettable. They won't just miss you, they'll crave your presence, always thinking of you, tomorrow and beyond. Now we are about to end the video. Now it is time to change your life. Write down a comment and say that you want to change your life. No matter how difficult it is to change. I will read each of your comment and feature one of the best comment in our channel.